Are you looking to make your workspace more organized and efficient? Today, I'm sharing 20 Amazon desk gadgets that can help transform your desk. These items are practical, affordable, and designed to make your workday easier. I've listed the best products that can improve everything from organization to comfort. If you want to check out the gadgets I've mentioned, links to the best prices will be in the description below. Let's dive right into it. Sweetful Small Desk Fan. Portable and quiet operation at under 50 decibel makes this lightweight cooling solution ideal for any setting, from office to camping. Its 360-degree adjustable design allows precise wind direction, supported by a stylish wood grain base with anti-slip rubber for stability. Offering 3 speed settings, you can adjust airflow to suit your needs. Powered via 4.7 feet USB cable, it's compatible with various devices, ensuring cool comfort wherever you go. Vora Electronic Drawer. Crafted from durable metal, this secure cash management solution is perfect for businesses. It features 5 bill slots with stainless steel clips and 8 coin compartments, designed for efficient cash handling. The removable bill tray and coin section add flexibility for easy counting and organization. Its under-counter mounting option and anti-theft design enhance functionality, making it a dependable choice for secure cash storage. Fomo Mini Pocket Printer. Compact and portable, this stylish printer connects via Bluetooth 4.0, compatible with Android 7.0 and iOS 13.0 or higher. Easily print text and photos on the go with its user-friendly app offering diverse fonts, filters, and themes. Its pocket-sized design makes it a great gift, while high-definition black and white printing and regular template updates keep it versatile for creating lasting memories or managing tasks efficiently. Neot Label Maker Machine. Designed for convenience, this Bluetooth-enabled label printer connects seamlessly to iOS, Android, or PC for quick setup. The app supports over 30 fonts, 100 borders, and 1,500 symbols, enabling creative and efficient label customization. Using thermal printing technology, it eliminates the need for ink, ensuring cost-effective operation. Durable and versatile, it's perfect for business, home, or school organization, making labeling effortless and professional. Alexstar's Touch Bedside Lamp. Featuring dimmable white and colorful LED lighting, this touch-controlled bedside lamp adds charm to any room. Its dual modes, white light for brightness adjustment and a vibrant 6-color mode, create the perfect ambiance. Offering up to 10 hours of lighting or music playback on a single charge, it's both practical and stylish. Ideal as a nightlight or speaker, it ensures convenience and comfort, day or night. AF-Mat Electric Hole Punch. Efficient and powerful, this 3-hole electric punch processes up to 20 sheets with precision. A simple push-button operation and adjustable paper guide ensure flawless results every time. Dual-powered by AC or batteries, it combines mobility with consistent performance. Lightweight and compact, it's a perfect addition for office tasks, saving time while maintaining professional standards. Wallid Keyboard Screen Cleaner. Equipped with a 21-in-1 cleaning kit, this tool is your go-to solution for cleaning keyboards, screens, and devices. Its brushes, sprays, and key pullers ensure efficient cleaning of gaps, ports, and surfaces. The multifunctional design doubles as a phone stand or pen holder, making it both practical and stylish. Anti-static and portable, it provides thorough cleaning for your tech gadgets with ease. Goee Smart Table Lamp. With vibrant RGB ICW technology and a 500-lumen brightness range, this lamp delivers immersive multicolor displays and adjustable whites. Featuring 64-plus preset scenes and 8 music sync modes, it enhances relaxation and entertainment. Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Matter platforms, it offers smart voice control and a pat-to-wake function. Stylish and functional, it's a modern lighting solution for any space. AF-Mat Electric Pencil Sharpener. Fully automatic and rechargeable, this pencil sharpener streamlines sharpening with auto feed and eject features. Suitable for pencils of varying sizes and shapes, it provides 3 tip options: sharp, medium, and blunt, perfect for both artistic and academic needs. Its replaceable blade and compatibility with 5-volt adapters ensure long-term utility. Compact and safe, it's ideal for kids and professionals alike. A Lumi wireless magnetic battery. Compact and lightweight, this slim charger combines wireless charging with a foldable phone stand for dual functionality. Compatible with MagSafe devices, its strong magnetic grip ensures stable charging. At just 3.99 ounce and zero point 0.5 inches thick, it's pocket-friendly and perfect for emergencies, offering one full charge for your device. Stylish and practical, it's an essential on-the-go power solution. Homero Compact Treadmill. Combining jogging and under-desk walking options, this treadmill supports speeds up to 5 miles per hour. Its powerful 2.5 HP motor ensures smooth and quiet operation, accommodating up to 300 pounds. Featuring a 7% adjustable incline, 12 preset programs, and app integration, it delivers a customizable workout experience. Compact yet robust, it's perfect for burning calories and staying active at home or in the office. Skyo Rotating Desk Organizer. Maximize desktop organization with this compact 5-compartment pen holder. Featuring 360-degree rotation, it provides effortless access to office supplies, art tools, or even makeup brushes. Its sturdy, durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while its versatile design fits seamlessly in any office, kitchen, or bedroom. A practical solution for decluttering your space without sacrificing style. Lamle Cord Organizer. Featuring a spring-locking design with a 60-degree rotation shaft, this cord holder makes organizing cables simple and quick. With a wider cable slot diameter of 8 mm, it accommodates various wires like charging cables and HDMI cords. Its no-residue acrylic adhesive ensures easy installation without damaging surfaces. Compact in size, this organizer allows you to neatly manage cables on desks, walls, or in tight spaces, offering an efficient and tidy solution for office and home setups. Corac Case Auto Face Tracking Phone Holder. Equipped with a 360-degree auto face tracking system, this holder uses AI to follow your movements, keeping you in frame for video calls, live streaming, or online meetings. It includes a remote control and gesture operation, allowing for easy tracking adjustments. The stand offers tilt capabilities and can be mounted on compatible tripods, giving you flexibility in height and angle for a comfortable recording experience, perfect for content creators and professionals. Zalite Light Pad. This light pad features 3 levels of dimming, plus stepless brightness adjustment to suit various tasks. The high-quality lamp beads provide uniform, flicker-free light to reduce eye strain. With a 10-angle adjustable stand and secure clips, it's ideal for tracing, diamond painting, or crafting. It also includes a fixed Type-C cable for reliable power and clear centimeter and inch scale displays, making it a practical tool for precise work and creativity, especially for artists and hobbyists. Canon Wireless Inkjet Printer. Enjoy wireless printing, copying, and scanning with this efficient inkjet printer. It includes up to 2 years' worth of ink, printing up to 6,000 black and white and 7,700 color pages, saving up to $1,000 on ink costs. The printer features a 1.35 inches square LCD display and supports single-sided printing, offering a convenient and budget-friendly solution for home or small office printing needs, ensuring smooth and consistent document handling. Rote Desktop Scientific Calculator. Packed with 417 functions, this scientific calculator covers a wide range of math and science disciplines, from algebra to calculus. It integrates a notebook feature for jotting down calculations, making it ideal for students and professionals. The multi-view display shows up to 4 calculations simultaneously for efficient problem solving. Powered by both solar energy and a coin battery, it ensures reliable performance, even during extended use, making it a versatile tool for academic and business tasks. Inop Fidget Slider. Crafted from high-quality all-metal materials, this fidget slider offers a satisfying clicking sound with every movement, helping to alleviate anxiety and stress. It's compact, portable, and perfect for on-the-go use, fitting easily in pockets or pencil cases. Ideal for those with ADHD, autism, or anyone seeking stress relief, it provides a calming distraction during stressful moments. Its sleek design also makes it a great desktop ornament, combining functionality with a touch of elegance. Silly Desktop Glass Whiteboard. This desktop whiteboard combines wireless charging with a durable glass surface, offering a multi-purpose workstation. The tempered glass resists scratches, while silicone pads protect the board when covered. It features ergonomic design, reducing neck strain for long-term users. With built-in storage, wireless charging, max 15 watts, and a 3 feet USB cable, it's ideal for office and study setups. The board's surface allows for easy note-taking and can hold devices like iPads or phones, enhancing productivity in any workspace. Scotch Desktop Tape Dispenser. Designed for convenience, this tape dispenser clips to surfaces up to 1.25-inch thick, offering 360-degree horizontal rotation and 180-degree vertical rotation. Ideal for desks, cubicle walls, or monitor stands, it enables easy one-handed dispensing. Its clip design ensures portability, allowing you to carry it on the go. The durable construction ensures long-term usability, making it a handy addition to any office space, offering a simple and efficient way to manage tape without clutter. Transforming your workspace has never been easier with these 20 incredible Amazon desk gadgets. Each one is designed to boost your productivity, spark creativity, and make your workday a whole lot smoother. Ready to upgrade your setup? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and snag your favorites today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow workspace warriors, and hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell icon too, so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and gadget reviews. Here's to building the ultimate workspace, one gadget at a time.